Hi students, you are welcome to biology lesson. Today we are going to study amphibians and reptiles from vertebrates. First of all, amphibian, as you see the frog. The frog is a kind of amphibian. Now properties. Amphibian means double life. It means they live on the land and they live on the water at the same time. They are cold-blooded, as we have explained it before. They can't control their body temperature, that's why they are cold-blooded. All amphibians respire differently. First of all, they use their gills because they are like fish in the beginning of their life. After some time, they change their life type. They use their lung and skin to respire when they are adult. Here their skin, and they have got normal lung for breathing when they are adult. How many kinds of amphibians? There are 3 kinds: Anura, Urodila, and Apoda. First of all, Anura. In Anura order, toads and frogs include in this order. This is toad, this is frog. As you see, they are different. It is larger, it is smaller, thick skin, thin skin, moist, and it is not so moist. They generally live around the pond. They like moist places, water. Frogs have smooth skin, but toads are not. Toads generally live in the forest, but some of them can live even in desert. They can store some water. Metamorphosis. Metamorphosis is the change in animal. As you see here, they are fish, normal fish, because they live completely in the water and they have got gill. After a certain time, 6-9 weeks, they start to lose their tail and start to lose their gills, and they start to have lung instead of gills. Now they don't have any tail, they don't have fin for swimming, and they don't have gills. Now they have got lungs and skin for breathing. And this change is called as metamorphosis, from fish to amphibian. Here they are tadpoles. When they are adult, their skin still moist. This moist or this liquid in their body, in their skin, protect them from bacteria. One kind of interesting frog, it is very dangerous. Its name is poison arrow. Here they are. Poison arrow frog. Scientific name D. auratus. These can be up to 6 centimeters, so small. They can be different colors, as you see here, 2 upper pictures. According to their geographic area, they can be different color. And this color sometimes warns their enemy about their poison state. 3 species are dangerous to human. The most deadly species to human is Phyllobates terribilis. Here it is. It is dangerous to human. The next kind of amphibia is Urodila. In this order includes salamanders, newts, and puppies. This order includes newts, salamanders, and moths, as we said before. They have got slender, very thin body. Salamanders can be up to 20 centimeters, but some Some of them, for example, Japanese salamander can be up to 1.5 meters. And salamanders are active at night. The next group of amphibia is apoda. As you see, they are like a worm because they don't have feet, and their tails are very tiny, or there is no any tail. They live in tropical places. Caecilian. These are kinds of apoda. So the next kind of vertebrate is reptile. Reptiles are different from amphibia, but they are similar. How? Because both of them crawl on their body. They have got, as you see, dry skin. They have got scales here, as you see. They lay egg on land, and their egg has strong shell. They have got skin which is dry, not moist. They can't control their body temperature because they are cold-blooded like amphibian, and they use completely their lung for breathing. There are three kinds of reptile. Chelonia, they are turtles and tortoise. Crocodiles, which include crocodile, alligator, salmon, and gavials. Squamata, it includes snakes and lizards. It is the largest group of reptile. First of all, turtles and tortoise. They have got, of course, their differences, because turtles live generally in the water here, but tortoise, they live on the land. Their beaks are very sharp, and their jaws are very strong. There are very different kinds of turtle and tortoise. When you search the videos, you can find them. Most of them live on the land, or if they live in the water, they eat algae and plants. Some marine turtles can be up to 2 meters and can be very big, so up to 500 kilograms, but tortoise can reach up to 180 kilograms, and they can live up to 100 years and sometimes more than 100 years. Crocodiles, the second kind of reptile, as you see here. Crocodiles can be up to 7 meters. Their relative are alligator. They are very similar, but now I'm going to explain their differences. Where do they live? They live in tropical and subtropical climates. They eat animals, so they are carnivores, meat eaters. They live on the land, but generally they spend their life in the water. They have got very powerful jaws, and they have got many teeth for tearing. Alligators have broad snout. Here, broad. But crocodiles narrower. When the mouth is closed, crocodile's teeth are visible, as you see here. Teeth are visible, but alligators' teeth aren't visible. And alligator, they have got broad snout, they have got narrower. Next group of the reptile, they are lizards and snakes. These are the largest group of reptiles. Mostly 95% of all reptile makes snake and lizards. Squamata can be found in all areas of the earth except Antarctica. Lizards, here they are. They generally live in warm places. They eat generally worms and insects. They have 2 pairs of feet, legs, and a long tail. Chameleon, as you know, they have got unique unique feature, property. They can change their color according to temperature, enemy, or light. The next group of the squamata snake. Snakes, they don't have any leg. They can detect vibration or walking, any kind of organisms or animal on the ground. They can detect very small even vibrations on the ground. Snakes have very poor vision. It means that their eye does not work very well. They are meat eaters. They can live in long time without eating, like anaconda. Maybe you heard about that. Only 200 of them are poisonous from 2.5 thousand species of the snake. Some poisonous snakes are rattlesnake, cobra, you heard about them, eastern green mamba, you may have heard from Indian films. For example, this anaconda is not poisonous, but they are the strongest snake in the world. Anaconda is the longest and the strongest snake in the world, and they can be up to 6 meters and can weigh 170 kilograms. How do they kill their enemy or food? By constriction or squeezing. The other kind of the non-poisonous snake are boa and python. How do they kill? They kill their prey by strangling them. Now questions. We have finished about amphibia and reptile. Here they are. You can read them and answer them, please. Now the homework. Write the text in presentation, please, and draw a frog and any kind of reptile in presentation. And thanks for watching. That's enough for today.